All right, welcome back, mates. Crypto Lovers Trading Group. Everybody's doing well. Tuesday morning, a little after 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time here on the East Coast in the U.S. And we're going to dive down into some cryptocurrencies, obviously altcoins, Altcoin Tuesday. We'd like to take a look at where we've been really post the weekend and then setting up going into the later stages of this week. And we're going to start off this morning with Litecoin. Obviously, we know Litecoin is often correlated with Bitcoin at about 0.40 is the normal correlation level, to Bitcoin. However, Litecoin recently in the last month has actually been highly correlated with Ethereum's moves, less during the continuation pattern and kind of stagnation of Bitcoin between 54 and 58,000. It's really been moving up with Ethereum. When Ethereum set its all-time high, Litecoin set its all-time high at 413 here just a few days ago. We're on the Bityard exchange. For those of you who are unfamiliar with Bityard, you can check it out. You can hit a link in the description. They keep upgrading this exchange. It's really, really becoming one of the top exchanges, especially with Bit7 being under maintenance for the last really 10 days. A lot of people have moved to this platform. It's a very dynamic platform, so I highly recommend everybody checking it out. And we are going to pop open this. We're going to look at the 4-hour on Litecoin. Obviously, Litecoin has repeated what we call rinse and repeat, okay? The trading, what I mean by when I say rinse and repeat, are patterns within the cryptocurrency asset that repeat itself. And when this happens, you want to repeat and then rinse. So basically, you're gonna, whether you're doing buy ups or sell downs, you basically are going to exit that trade and then wait for the pattern to repeat itself and then capitalize it. We call it QRT often if we're doing it within the day. However, you also can do it within longer periods of time. If you look at this, let's going back to the beginning of the year for Litecoin. Again, this is the 4-hour. You could see in April, last month in April, when Litecoin hit around that 79.80 on the RSI level for daily, it declined 38%. In February, 40%. In January, 37%. In December, 25%. So we know that at these high level of value RSI numbers, okay, prime example right here, prime example right here, another smaller example right here, right? We just right here on our screen right now, we can see what has happened when it's reached that level of 80, right? You can see these declines, okay? We just experienced another one. After setting an all-time high of $413, okay, Litecoin, so RSI on the daily rose to about 80, okay? And then that triggered, again, the pattern, okay, of a sell down. And so now we are trading at $356. So we've come down roughly 60 points, okay? And that sell down. Again, that pattern repeated itself. But here's now where you have to transition, okay? It's going to test here. We've got support levels here, okay, in the 330 channel. We've been in that 330 channel. 330 channel used to be a resistance channel, right? Well, now it's going to become a support channel. And we have to hold that support channel, okay? And the reason why is if you go back and you look here, after falling off, after reaching a high of 79 to 80 RSI and selling down, remember, we're just going back to April. It also did this the previous months, okay? We saw it rise, okay? So from here, we saw it gain. Then we saw it collapse again, right? Then we saw it gain again, okay? Now we're seeing it fall again. So the pattern, well, while the pattern has declined 38, 40, 37, and 25 basically every other month after hitting an RSI of 79 to 80, it has also then rebounded 20+% every time, okay? So that's what you want to think about